Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Ring, Alexa, and Echo privacy settings for microphone, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable microphone privacy settings on your Ring device, start by opening the Ring app on your smartphone. Log into your Ring account if prompted. Select the device you want to adjust from your list of Ring devices. Tap on the gear icon to access the device settings. Scroll down to the privacy section and tap on it. Here, you will find options related to microphone settings. Toggle off any settings that restrict microphone access. Next, to disable microphone privacy settings for your Alexa device, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your Amazon account. Tap on the device's icon located at the bottom of your screen. Select Echo and Alexa from the available categories. Choose the specific Echo device you want to modify. Scroll down to the device settings and tap on Device Settings. Look for the microphone option. Toggle the microphone button to turn it off if it's currently set to on. To adjust privacy settings on the Alexa app itself, go back to the main menu in the Alexa app. Tap on Settings in the menu. Select Alexa Privacy from the options provided. Here, you can manage how voice recordings and interactions are stored. Choose to delete voice recordings as needed or adjust settings for data sharing. Finally, for managing privacy on your Echo Show or display device, swipe down from the top of the screen. Tap on Device Options. Locate the microphone option and toggle it to disable if it's enabled. After making these adjustments, your microphone privacy settings on your Ring, Alexa, and Echo devices will be updated accordingly. Make sure to review these settings regularly to ensure your privacy preferences are maintained. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.